Here we have a bucket with warm water, and this is where we're going to put the t-shirts in. Sometimes t-shirts come with a white powder residue, so you want to make sure you get all that off and then squeeze all the water that you can possibly get out of it. Fold the shirt in half and please make sure that it's even on both sides. Now is when you get a washable marker. Please do not use a Sharpie. Get a washable marker. It will wash out, I promise. Here he is drawing his half heart, and what you want to do is make sure it is centered, people. Very important that it's centered. Now you will want to start from the bottom and fan fold all the way up, but make sure your pattern lines are all the same. Please. Now this is when you will start to align your rubber bands for your own preference of colors. Our rubber bands wasn't really that tight, and this was a kid t-shirt, so if you want to double knot it, by all means, do what you gotta do. Okay. Skylar chose these colors for her shirt. Like I said, it is a kid shirt, so pick the colors that you like. There she is. Say hi, Sky. She's so shy. Here's how it turned out for our first time. I think we did a pretty good job. Tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.